Dear students, myself Dr. T. Sendil Murugan, Associate Professor, Department of IT, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. Today, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about different types of networks. In computer network, we are going to discuss about different types of network as self-learning topic 3. So after listening to this lecture, what outcome we are getting it, that we are going to discuss now. As a student, you can differentiate the types of network. Okay. So if you are given any diagram about the network, you can identify this is what type of network. And also identify usages of those networks. What is the use of that network that we are going to discuss in this lecture. So types and categories are same in the categories of networks. So first one is local area network. Second one is wide area network. Third one is metropolitan area. In computer network, normally classified in different categories now, like personal area network, body area network, offline network, and all. It's going on. But broadly, we can say that these three are named as different categories of network. First, we are going to discuss about local area network. What is local area network? The local area network is usually privately owned and connects some host in a single office or building or campus. So you just think and imagine it. 2-3 systems are there. You want to make those systems connect in a single network. That is the local area network. For example, in my home, I have laptop, I have desktop, I have mobile phone, as well as I have printer. So if I'm making network with these 4 devices in my home, that is the local area network. It is restricted to one building or one campus or one office, like that. According to the area, we can classify it is the local area network. Okay. So depending on the needs of the organization, a LAN can be as simple as 2 PCs and printer in someone home office. So in our IT department, we know we have information lab. So nearly 64 systems are there. Those systems are connected with the switches. So that particular lab have separate network. No, that network is considered as the local area network. So according to the distance, according to the usage in the small building or campus, we can say that network is local area network. It can extend throughout the company and include audio and video devices. So we have auditorium, we have main block, admission block, we have different departments are there. If we want to connect all the network, that is also we can say, because within the campus, we can make the network. That is local area network. So see this diagram, they are used the bus topology. What is the bus topology? Common bus will be there, then this system will take the tap from the common link. So this is nowadays we are not using this bus topology, but previously in past we are used local area network using the bus topology. So now we are using that bus star topology for local area network. Okay. So here second diagram, learn with the switches. So switches is used to connect multiple systems. Okay. So this system is maybe this structure is used in our local area network. The next one is wide area network. So as per local and wide. So wide, when we are saying the wide area network, it is worldwide. Okay. So what is wide area network? A wide area network also it's like LAN only, but it is interconnection between 2 devices capable of communication. Okay, not only 2 systems. Okay, so it is connected to different networks. For example, one network in Kids W in Kids College Warangal, another network maybe in other college, Kids Huzurabad. So we want to connect these 2 systems. Okay, so with different cities. So it is may be considered as the wide area network. How we can say this? So worldwide, you can say your office may be established in USA, and one more office in Tamil Nadu, one more office in Delhi. You want to connect all three offices, then you can choose the wide area network. Okay, wide area network means interconnection of devices capable of communication. So instead of connection of 2-3 devices, we can connect the switches and routers or hubs for making the wide area network. Okay. So there is a switched so two types of wide area networks are there. Point to point wide area networks. Point to point means the dedicated link is there between two different networks. That is point to point wide area network. But another type is switched wide area network. Okay. So here many switches are used. This switch to switch is connection established. Finally, the end system is connected with the different switches. We are making the interconnection between these switches. Okay. So these switches may be used as routers or hub or switch can use. Okay. So one router from USA, one router from India. We can connect these two routers. Then we can say this is the wide area network. What's the difference between local area network and wide area network? The first one, normally limited in the size. Local area network means very small size. Wide area network means it's a geographical span. Okay. So USA, India, London, like that, we can connect with the different countries. The second one is interconnects a host. Different systems are there, laptop, desktops, printer. We are using to connect these devices in the local area network. Wide area networks connecting the switches, routers, and modems. Okay. So finally, it's local area network means privately owned by the organization. If our institute is the local area network means we are the owner for that local area network. But wide area network, it's not like that. Okay. It's maybe prepared by some communication companies. From that we are taking and we are using it. Okay. So finally, metropolitan area network. What is metropolitan area network? In between local area network and wide area network. The size may be increased. It's extended from building to another campus. Okay. One campus in Hanmakonda, one campus in Yeragattukutta, one campus in next Varangal. Like if it is there, we can connect these cities. Okay. So our area that may be considered as the metropolitan area network. Generally, it may be interconnected by dedicated backbone connections. Okay. One connection will be there. In that connection, they are taping it and connecting it their offices or buildings. So example, can you able to see this diagram? The dedicated link or one common link will be used to connect office buildings, university campuses, government buildings, residential areas, like different will be connected in the particular city. That is considered as the metropolitan area network. So now we are discussed about three types of networks. Okay. So after discussing it, personal area network. What is personal area network? So I have the personal devices. So I'm connecting with my devices. Example, my Wi-Fi is there, Wi-Fi device is there. I'm getting internet. From that, I connected my laptop, I connected my printer, I connected my desktop, I connected my mobile phone. With my own devices, I'm making that network that is considered as the personal area network. What is body area network? In my body, when I'm person, as a person I'm moving, the network will come with me. So like I have Bluetooth device. My mobile phone will connect it with the Bluetooth device. I have the smart watch. That watch will connect it to my phone. Like that. Some network will be formed and it will be moved with the person. That is considered the body area network. Okay. So different types of networks we are discussed. At the end of this lecture, you should differentiate the types of network. If I will show any images or different examples, you can easily identify what type of network it is. Okay, and identify the usages of those networks. So sample questions I posted for recall this. What is personal area network? Now I told the personal area network. You have the idea, I think. The next question, how to form a body area network? So already I told Bluetooth device, phones, and smart watches. something. We are connected and it will be move with the person, that is considered the body area network. The third one, if you have multiple companies in different states, you want to make a network with your companies, which type of network you can make? You have the companies are placed in different states in India. You want to make the connection. What type of connection or what type of network you are going to frame for connect all the your companies? You think and tell me. So example, so if within the city means it may be the metropolitan, okay, but it is a different states I said. So what it will happen? It is the wide area network. Okay. So internet is which type of network? Internet may be connected with worldwide, so it is automatically wide area network. Okay. So any queries is there, you can post it. Thank you very much for listening. And next self-learning topic is physical layer introduction. Okay. Thank you very much for listening.